Yo, this is a non-load bearing wall, if anyone's wondering. Oh, suck on that. They are 100mm screws, if you're wondering. They kick ass, I tell you. You just got to be careful where you're putting them because you can screw right through a wall. So we'll slap one up. We'll slap one up in there, and then I'll see if I'm level. I don't have to check if that's plumb, it's unnecessary. I should just use these levels now. I might buy a couple of new ones for framing. Right, it's level. Pull it down to your line. Where's the big sucker? Right, that's good. And that there, people, is a niche. That's how easy it is. I have never bought a pre-made one yet. They charge something like, I don't know, 110, 120 bucks for a pre-made niche. Most of the time they're 100mm, and all your framing these days in houses is 75mm or 3-inch, so they're a waste of bloody time. Absolute waste of time, and waste of money. 120 bucks when I've taken, you know, how long? 10 minutes, 15 minutes to make my own. I just line that now and we're laughing. Home and hose. That's beautiful. I will sheet on Tuesday morning. I won't be here on Monday because Reese, my plumber, will be jacking up the pipes. So I've got a bludgy day today. I will go home and go on the computer and do YouTube stuff. This can come off. That can come off. I'll put another niche in here. I'll make another niche there. So that's cool. It's all lovely. I don't know. I was looking the other day at a video I took, and yes, I have the niche at a tile height, and people in Australia anyway buy the larger bottles of shampoo, and it was actually just enough room with the plunger up. It was just enough room in it, and it fitted in. I reckon that is actually a better height, because you're able to, when you're having a shower, put your hand in there and boop, 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 and get your shampoo. I don't know. I'm going to think about that. I might make it a little bit higher from now on. Where's my tape? So what is that now? Yeah, 360. I reckon I go a little bit higher, eh? That's actually, I reckon, a better size. But then I'm having grout lines, but that's no biggie. All right, I'm just thinking out loud. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.